y'all, what is really good? I know it's been a minute since I did a video, but I wanted to come on here today and do a little product reveal and to go over a couple things about some of the products I got. Yes, and I can't wait to use it. These cards are nice and thick and bright. Look at this. More information on how to tag her in our photos and our videos. Today I'm going to be using the multi-use leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to be sealing that in with the multi-purpose oil by the line. I also picked up the head wrap, and let me tell you, I've been using this. Y'all seen it. This head wrap is large, like large. Super big. It's like a stretchy material, and I'm in love. Like, this is my favorite head wrap right now. So today I'm just going to do a condition in my hair. It's pretty dry-ish. I mean, I haven't done anything with it. I wet it yesterday because we went out for dinner with my husband for Father's Day, but I wet it and I see flakes coming off of it. Ew. I wet it and I used my brush and kind of gave it some life and some body, and then just put like the headband thing. I also had some last year, just like I'm in elementary school, middle school, for the edges, but I really need to find an edge control that works for my hair because I can't find anything. I had the beeswax, I've had the jam, I use gel, and nothing. Just my edges just be like doing whatever you want to do. So I have accepted my hair the way it is because, let's face it guys, no edge control works. And if you got some, let me know. First off, it smells like peppermint. Smells like peppermint. So I hope it has like that tingly feeling like Sulfur 8 has. So, and then the oil, I have no idea what the oil smells like because, again, I do love that the top is one of the drizzle tops. So if your hair is in some type of style or braids, you can get down to the scalp, you know, directly and put this on your scalp. And I love that the top twist is on because even if I have something on my shelf where my daughter can't necessarily reach, she will climb up here and grab something. So if she grab it, it's not automatically popping off, sliding off, and she got the oil everywhere. She literally will have to get this and unscrew it. You know, and by the time she unscrewing something, what you doing? What you doing? Because we don't give her no time by herself to get into stuff. So yeah, let me go ahead and get my hair together with some water, and then I give you a review on how I feel about the products in my head, working them in while I'm in the shower, and then what I feel my curls look like and what's the state of my hair once I'm done. Be right back. We back. All right, so fresh out the shower. Hair is still wet, dripping wet at that. And I just want to say a couple things. I never do my hair like this. I always do shampoo if I'm going to shampoo, which is not something I do every time I wash my hair. I'll shampoo my hair like once a month, or whenever I have product in it, like a gel or something like that, I'll shampoo it. So shampoo, condition, I put a conditioner on there that helps me detangle. Rinse that out, leave-in conditioner, styler, oil, like all that gets done in the shower. And the reason being is because I like the water to literally be running through my head as I'm detangling, and then styling my hair in the shower is so much easier because I'll be scrunching and finger twirling and splashing product all over. So I always do my hair while I'm still in the shower, while the water's still running. Hair be slayed, then I wash my body, then I do my facial cleanser. So I literally wash and go, like out the shower, throw my clothes on, I can go. I did use the conditioner in the shower as a regular rinse conditioner, and I use it as basically a detangler as well. I had a cheap shampoo, sulfate free shampoo that's like $5 from Target that I just used to get the buildup off my hair, especially being that I had jam in my hair from yesterday. So I used that, washed it out, then I put this into my hair, and then I used my wide tooth comb to comb out my hair. This is literally how much of my hair came out from using this as my detangler slash conditioner while in the shower. Everything I love about this is smells great, okay? Smelled like a whole minty experience. If you have a body wash that you plan on using after using this, you're still gonna smell this. Like, don't even use your favorite body wash if you're trying to smell that. You won't smell it. You're going to only smell this in your shower, because I did. So scent is everything. I feel like I had to use a lot on my hair though, which is kind of concerning, because I don't want to be going through a lot of the product. I know Black girls are famous for using a lot of conditioner in the first place, but I feel like I used a lot on my hair to just to get the product on. But I also have a lot of hair, so it's really thick and it was dry, so maybe that's why. But for me to get the slip that I really wanted while using this as a detangler, I feel like I had to use a lot. Maybe it's different for someone else. I'm not sure. Let me know. It wasn't that expensive. I did want to talk about the price. It was about 20 bucks for each of these. Each of these products is about 20 bucks. For how much you get 16 ounces and you get, it says 8 ounces. So 16 ounces of the conditioner, 8 ounces of the oil. Obviously, this is a big bottle of oil. This is going to last me a long time. I usually only have a small bottle of oil, and this is 2 ounces, and this can last me a long time. So I know this 8 ouncer is going to last me a while. Conditioner, however, I don't always plan on using it as the conditioner to like just detangle and then use again. Typically, the same conditioner I use to detangle is the same line as the cheap shampoo I use, and then I use a different leave-in. Today I will be using this as a leave-in, and I already use it as a detangler, so I'm going to be using it twice the product in one sitting. Typically I'm going to be just using this as a leave-in if I'm going to use it, but I wanted to do something different so that you can see what it's like on my hair. My only concern with this is that if you don't either twist your hair up or wrap your hair up after, like if you're doing a true wash and go, I do see that the product is having like a whiteness to it, because it is white, but it's not like going into my hair to the point where when it's dry, that could be a problem. Sometimes certain leave-ins or gels and stuff like that, when I use them in my hair, if they don't work into my hair well, y'all know, white flakes, crunchy curls with flakes in it, and it just be like, okay, what is this? What is this? You can see the difference. It's best to do it pretty early in the day. If you plan on going out at night and you don't want your hair work, who freaking cares? Y'all white people get what y'all get. A head wrap, how about that? Twist, kente cloth head wrap. I tell you, I am done not being my whole black self, whole black voice, whole blackness at work. They got another thing coming. They think it's gonna be, oh, the nice young girl. I'm nice. I'm polite. I'm respectful. I get my job done. But I'm not walking on eggshells anymore at work. My blackness is not walking on eggshells anymore at work. I'm so tired of like, I couldn't quite pinpoint it. I'm glad all this stuff, this education has come out with the current events in our country. I'm so happy that the information has came out for us to know what we're dealing with and kind of like put words to feelings, put words to experiences. And that is so important, because I knew what I was feeling, I knew what I was going through, but I didn't know what to call it. I didn't know why. But now, all y'all microaggressions and stuff, honey child, I'm on to y'all. Not saying our names right, degrading pet names, volunteering us for stuff that we didn't volunteer ourselves for, keep asking us to be the diversity leaders and stuff like that. I'm not doing your homework for you. Absolutely not. I'm not doing your homework for you. not doing what you should be doing, the research and figuring out what's the issue and challenging yourself and your mindset and the things you grew up with. I'm not doing that for you. I'm not. I will be a part of the conversation if I choose, but I'm not doing your work for you. I refuse. And my blackness, like I said, will no longer walk on eggshells at this office. It will not. So we worked that in. And I think I worked that in as best as I could. Ah, it smells so good. So that's worked in as much as I'm going to get it to work in. Let's try out this oil. It smells good. I can't quite pinpoint what I'm smelling, but it smells good. I want to get the scalp down there. What am I smelling? Let's read real quick. It smells a little citrusy. I like it. I like it a lot. Products is definitely killing it on smell, man. Usually with oil, if I'm going to use oil to lock it in my hair, I just go a couple drops, rub it between my hands, and then I work it in a section. As you can see, definitely giving my hair a shine. Smells great. So I'm just going to probably leave the video off here. I'm going to section my hair off, run the oil through my hair, make sure I get it on my scalp, and just 2-strand twist my hair all over, set it, use my trusty dusty satin wrap that I got along with the products here, same line. Pros, black owned, black woman owned, okay, affordable. You do get a lot of product for the money. Smells phenomenal. Got a lot of slip, but again, if you have thick hair like me, you might feel like you're using more product to achieve that slipness that you need while in the shower. Again, first time use. These are my first time experiencing these products and my initial thoughts. So other things I might think about might be good. After I take the twist down, I'll be able to see if I like it as far as drying, if the white buildup that I'm experiencing now, if that goes away, and when I use them for a wash and go, because mind you, I'm doing a twist today, so maybe it might be a wash and go product. I want to see how it works with my styler. I use Miss Jessie multi-cultural curls. I think that's what it is. Kind of like a 10-inch tubes in the shower. I don't feel like getting it bit. I want to see how they work all together. But standalone, I like the products. They smell great. That's really important. The oil, you get a lot for your money. And I mean, it's an oil that says multi-use, so if you want to use it on your body after you get out the shower and get all sexy and see how it feels on your skin, go for it. Use it on your scalp. I'm going to use it on mine today. Other than that, that's it for today. Gave y'all a quick update on my life. Gave y'all a status update on where my mind is at. And I'm going to get back at y'all with another video soon. Yeah, give them a try. Definitely. And I'll talk to you guys soon. So this is what my twists look like now that I'm all finished them. This is an easy way for my hair to dry. I'm gonna tie my hair up for the night. I don't see product build up in my twists now that my hair is dry. So, looks good.